Welcome to Exact Training and Maintaining SOP Code Data. During this lesson, you will learn how to add ship via codes, how to maintain ship via codes, and how to enter them whenever you enter a new sales order in MAX. Let's get started learning about ship via codes. Ship via codes are created to define standard shipping carriers in the system. These codes are used during order entry, shipping, and invoicing, and will print on shipping documents such as packing slips, shipping labels, and invoices. These are the steps we'll follow. From the Sales Order Processing module, we'll go to the Activity menu, SOP Data, and SOP Code Data. Then we'll choose Ship via Codes, where we will add and maintain the code settings. We will enter a description and any user-defined information that describes this code. Ship via codes in MAX are added and maintained in the Sales Order Processing module. From the Customer tab of the MAX System Manager, click on the Sales Order Processing link to launch the module. Once the module is open, click on the Activity menu. Highlight SOP Data, then highlight SOP Code Data, and finally choose Ship via Codes from the menu. The Ship via Code Maintenance window will now open. This is the screen where all of the Ship via Code information is entered and maintained in MAX. The first field in the Ship via Code maintenance screen is the base field called Ship via Code. This is a 1 or 2 character numeric symbol used to describe a user-defined shipping carrier such as Federal Express or UPS. The code is user-defined and you may enter up to 2 characters to define the code. Double-click the field to open the CodeMaster browser and view any existing Ship via codes that may have already been entered into MAX. Here we see the 4 existing codes in this system: Federal Express, UPS Ground, DHL International, and Best Way Rate Shop. Let's take a look at UPS Ground as an example. Double-click on the line item to open up this Ship via code. Ship via codes consist of only 4 fields of data: the Ship via code itself, a description, and the 2 user-defined reference fields. Now that we've seen what an existing code looks like, let's add a new code into MAX. To clear this screen, you can either highlight and delete the code in the Ship via code field, or click the Clear button at the bottom of the screen. Since the first 4 codes entered into the system were numbered from 01 to 04, we will use 05 for this new code. Enter 05 into the Ship via code box. Next, tab or click into the description field. We'll enter U.S. Postal Service as a carrier for this Ship via code. After adding any user-defined information in the key and reference fields, click the Add button at the bottom of the Ship via Code maintenance window to add the new code into MAX. Once done in the Ship via Code maintenance window, click the Close button to exit. That completes the steps on how to add and maintain Ship via codes in MAX. The important steps to remember in this process are setting the code, defining an appropriate description, and adding any optional user-defined information for the code in question. During this lesson, you have learned how to add and maintain Ship via codes in the Sales Order Processing module of MAX. These codes are entered along with new sales orders at the time of entry. Thanks for joining us at Exact Training.